AG fine cast bricks aren't just ordinary bricks. Cast or concrete bricks are cured rather than baked, which uses far less energy in production as a result of an exothermic chemical reaction, which occurs when water and cement are mixed. The process eliminates the need for continuous kiln firing at 1000 degrees centigrade, which is necessary to produce a standard house brick. An AG fine cast brick uses 30% less energy to produce than a standard kiln-fired house brick, thanks to over 60 years of refining and improving on our processes. In addition to our other sustainability measures, such as the introduction of recycled pigments into our product mixes and the use of local aggregates, all AG fine cast bricks are manufactured with Enduur 1 advanced concrete technology. What does this mean in terms of sustainability? Well, AG Enduur 1 technology means all bricks are now manufactured with a body mix that contains up to 30% less embodied carbon than a standard kiln-fired house brick. Its improved formula means it's stronger than ever and will assuredly last longer, with less upkeep required year on year. It's been purposely designed to help reduce the environmental footprint of a typical building and to enable specifiers and developers to make a premium yet meaningfully environmental choice. One day, all bricks will be made this way. AG fine cast brick is designed to look beautiful and stay beautiful for a lifetime. Enduur 1, our advanced concrete technology, ensures that AG Woodward fine cast bricks are much less porous than standard clay bricks and perform at top of the class in the concrete market. Enhancements in mixed technology and curing processes mean they stand up to harsh and adverse conditions, with better resistance to the salts and efflorescence, water ingress, and the moss growth that often spoils the look of domestic houses and commercial buildings. The potential for spalling has been further minimised, especially compared to clay brick, meaning surface abrasion, cracking and splitting from adverse conditions will be minimised over the brick's lifetime. One day, all bricks will be made this way. AG fine cast brick has stunning colours that stay stunning. Enduur 1, our advanced concrete technology, gives AG Woodward fine cast brick enhanced colour vibrancy and superior UV resistance. Improvements to mixed technology and curing processes guarantee more sophisticated colour blends, especially in those tricky to match shades like classic reds and buffs. Mix optimisation means our guarantee of prolonged resistance to fading, even in locations that face constant exposure, helps give houses that just built look for decades. One day, all bricks will be made this way. Enduur 1 concrete technology is really about the sophistication of what the brick is made up of. But it's worth mentioning that beyond Enduur 1, AG Woodward fine cast bricks have been designed to be a builder's best friend, taking into account years of feedback from brickies on sites of all sizes, using both concrete and clay brick. AG fine cast bricks have unparalleled dimensional accuracy to massively reduce wastage on site. No guesswork, no surprises. Woodward's lightweight frog design means that, on average, building 15 to 20 courses per day is easily achievable for your team. One day, all bricks will be made this way.